Hi, ghouls. I hope everybody's doing fantastic today and are excited, like I am, for this month's The Babe Box from Honeybee Shop. It's a reading theme, so I'm all about it. And if you want to see what's in the box, stick around. All right, y'all. I'm kind of out of sorts, but is that anything new? I don't think so. So I opened this, of course, to take it out of the packaging. And I was trying to take pictures because this was just glaring, but it comes in one of these. This is only my second Babe box, but I'm very excited. Last month was the Space Drip one that we all love so much. I mean, it was just fantastic. The one with the collab with Cookie Sticker Co. Is it Cookie Sticker Co? Yes, it is. All right. So this month's theme was reading and such. So yes, I am very excited. And here are the dashboards. And I might read past my bedtime. I don't really have a bedtime though. I'm an adult. So I don't know. But I guess if I had a job, I would have a certain bedtime I would stick to. So I usually read a few hours every night. Try to read a few hours every night. Doesn't happen all the time, but most of the time I get that in. So there's that one. And of course we have the cutie here with the constellations on her cheeks. Her freckles have been made dot to dot. There's that one. And on the other side, of course, they are very inclusive. So there's the dark skin, light skin. So, and here we have washi cards. Yes, I need some of these. So let's see what we got here. This one, just one more chapter. Always. I'm always going, I'm so tired, or I need to go do something. I'm like, how many pages are in the next chapter? Love this library card. And just a pretty one that matches the paper that's on the other side that was, I tried to get a picture of. I don't know if that's going to be the, what do you call it, thumbnail or not. Probably not because there was a glare. So, washi cards. And I'm saving this because I absolutely love this. And this here is a bookmark. Now, I usually just use something tucked into it, so I'm guessing this goes on the corner. It's my guess, like that, which is really kind of adorable if you ask me. It's something different. I don't usually use these, and I also don't know how well these look, the heaviness on the page of the book. So, I mean, maybe you could put a couple in there because you know which page you are on, I would assume, if you're following the story. So, bookmark, which is adorable. Get back in here the right way. And we have, let's go here. We have a book stamp, a cling stamp. And this I like for, it's kind of cute. I collect books. I love books. Reading is just the best. So this would be cute. This one here, putting inside the books you buy and keep. And then you have these, is this all one on the bottom? I believe the bottom one's a separate one, or is it all? I mean, all together, not separate. You know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it's just one. But that's how it'll look. So I do love that. Then we have the die cuts. They're sticker die cuts, yes. I like that so much. They're having to tape everything in. I think that's the new norm now, isn't it? The new normal for die cuts to be stickers. I rarely get them anymore that are not stickers. So let's go through these. Let's turn this over. And that might act, is that glaring? I don't know. That might, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, these colors are really pretty. Kind of like a purpley gray with the orange. Terracotta kind of color. It's very pretty. And I'm booked. And I wish I just set up my reading journal for this week, and now I'm like, darn, I should have did this first, so I'd have these stickers and I have to use it for next week. One more chapter. I read past my bedtime. Just one more chapter. Which way does this go? I'm confused. I don't know which way this goes. This way? It's open, I guess. Anyway, you can see what it is. Half butterfly, half floral. That's really pretty. Love this one. Straight to the point. It's books. Love it. Then we have a pocket with flowers in it. It's like a, stitching around the pocket. More flowers. Ooh, I like this color combo. Look at that. That's really nice. And then, as I've said, ooh, there's something in here. Oh my goodness, let me get all these ones out that are the same so I can show them. All right, we have a redhead with the light skin with her book. We have the medium tone. And looky! Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, vitiligo, is that what it is? I'm not sure if that's how you say it or not. And then we have the dark skin. But look at that. I love that one in there. That is just awesome. They are so good about inclusion. Then we have these in the different skin tones. Here. Medium. And then these ones. We have dark skin, the medium, and the light skin. And these are all really nice. They feel very nice. I'm not even going to worry about putting that in there right now. Let's see. Now this, look at this washi tape. It's books and stuff. It's like a bookshelf. I love this. Ugh, can't wait to use this. I gotta find the little thing you pull here. Here it is. So I can show everyone how awesome possum sauce this is. Yes, I'm a dork. But y'all already know that if you've been following me for any amount of time. Is that it? Yeah, there we go. Give me a second to get it started here. And looky. Oh, I love it. I love this so much. Books. I was wanting something new. I have one that's, I think, from the washi tape shop, but it's dark and it has just the books lined up. That's it. There's nothing else to it. So I wanted something a little less wide. It's really wide. And a little lighter. And look at that. I love the glasses too, since I wear glasses. So yes, I love that so much. I just can't thank you enough for it's just crazy. I had the space drip, which is one of my favorite themes. The drips, the space, aliens, all that. And then books is the next one. I mean, I feel like I've hit the jackpot here. And then we have, look at this, book reviews. Now I'm going to put this in with, I just dropped stuff from the one last month. I'm going to add that into that cover and that tin. And let's see here, get some to open it. Open it up. Let's see if I can cut myself on camera. Nope. I know, all you gore hounds are like, darn it. Let's see here. Look at this. Oh gosh, I'm gonna love this. I do. I love this. Because, okay, let me show you real quick. This is how I set mine up, my journal. I'm going to go, it's in a Stalogy, B6 Stalogy, and this is this week's here. So I set it up, and then I write things in it, and then I have like a book of the month. See, there's lots of different things. Where's the book of the month? I want to show this month's because I haven't written it yet. And I set it up like that. I put a quote here. Sometimes I decorate, but that's how it goes. So, this, I'm so sorry, y'all. It's okay. We survived. So I hope it's not totally jacked now. That would be my luck. So yes, I love this, having little spaces here and stuff. I'm actually going to use this. This is going to be really, really cool. I love this. To be read. I have stickers. It's one of them I've been sticking over here, trying to put out of everybody's sight because now I can't find it. Can you believe this? I have had this sticker sitting here forever, and I keep moving it over, and now I can't find it. Unreal. Anyway, it said books to read, or book of the month, one of the two. So yeah, books to read. Love this. Ah! Is there anything in the back, or is it just in like that? Yep, so I'm going to put that in there. I love this. Is that rose gold? Copper? Rose gold? Love it. Love it. Love it. And let's go to the paper. I'll show you the sticker book at the end. I do believe it's acetate. I hope there's not too much of glare. I'm sorry if y'all are blinded right now. Yes, acetate. And it is gorgeous. And let me move this out of the way. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. And then, there it is. It's rose gold. That is so pretty. I love silver, so I don't know. Maybe I'll use that side. But this matches, so yeah. Probably gonna wrap it around that. Make it fit. Cut it down, make it fit. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I love this. It's like a little Swiss dot. Is it upside down? Yes, of course it is. I have everything upside down. My bad. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I love this. How does this look together? Okay, you got me. I'm in love with that. Let me flip this over because I'm putting everything up backward. And we have the book paper. 2 of those. These are thick, thick, thick. Oh, 2-sided. With the rose gold. 2 of those. Oh, I like that. That's pretty too. What's on the other side here? We have 2 of these, and okay, it has a basic plain. Evidently I have boboed it up. It might have been like that when I took it out, because I think there was a little ding in my, what do you call it? Oh, I love this so much. How would that look like this? That's so pretty. Stop. I like that. Wow. I really love this color right here. This purpley gray. It is so pretty. So yeah, there's the papers. And I love them. Yes, I do. And the book. Now let's look at the sticker book. And then I can let y'all get out of here and go do your thing. I highly suggest this shop. I'll take a photo of something and send it to my daughter. And she's like, where'd you get that sticker? Honeybee shop. She's like, I can't wait till payday. I think I'm going to go crazy. It happens. It's easy to do. Here we go. It's got the books here and the acetate like it always does. Here's a quick thing in the back. Now, to be honest, I'm not big on photograph stickers. It's not that they're bad. It's just not, I prefer things that are, if it's like this, that's fine. That's not too bad. That's not too bad, but I'm just really not a big fan. But these are actually kind of pretty, and I like that it's book themed, so I like the book gazer one. But that's the only thing, and that's my thing, not, nothing against the company. These are still really pretty, and I like the little touches. The foiling on it. If you can see it, I'm sure you can. Oh, I like the softness of these. I love the glasses, because I wear glasses. So yeah, this is the only one I probably don't love. Also, ones that have an actual book in there. I'm sure some people, this book, yeah, it's good, but what if you don't like the book? What if it's a book that's, I don't know. That's just me, and I'm sorry. I love the stickers. I love these oh, I love these colors. Listen to me. Squirrel. Yes, I love these colors. I love so pretty. Here we have like mini versions of what the big papers look like. I do like the color combs. Yes I do. Ooh, I like those. Some trackers in there I need. Currently reading. Love it. We have the, oh, wow, the icons are just so more minimal this time, but that's fine. I like that. I like having choices, you know what I mean? Here's some hydration trackers, your dinner, your meals, date dots, some functional, what do you call it? Written script stuff. Oh, that's different. It doesn't have a lot on it this time. I don't know how I feel about that. Because this is always one of my favorite pages right here. And I'm not sure this one is my favorite, though, this time. But also leaves so you can decorate it yourself. And I think that's kind of cool, too. It might be kind of cool just to put, like, quotes from, like, a small quote from your favorite books in there. That would be pretty neat. Oh, it's really pretty, though. Oh, I love these. Love that. And then we have the dolls, and they put the different skin tones in. Love that about it. That was another thing my daughter, she goes, I showed it to her, and she was like, that is so nice. And that's that. Oop. But here's your little Book Teaser 2.0. I love everything, even though my favorite are not these, and I saw that in the sneak peek, and I was like, but they're not bad. I don't have a problem with those. Those aren't. I just don't like it when it's kind of, I think that the company understands that don't go cheesy. Don't do it. But I love this box. I loved last month's box, and I'm hoping the next box is fantastic. Oh, and another side note. When you subscribe for the box and you receive the box, when I give you the sneak peek while you're a member or a subscriber, that's it. When you get the subscription, when they do the sneak peek of the next month, they send you out a link for digitals. So that's another reason to sign up, subscribe. I mean, yeah, I'm pushing this one because this is a really, really good box. Inclusive. And I love that it comes with this like file holder thing, because even if you didn't use it for this, it just makes sense. Put all your little papers in here. You can keep each box you get together, you know. If you're really organized, you want to put it in there nice and neat. It'd look nice in a file folder or something, or a file cabinet. So anyway, I'm rambling, and I'm rambling, and I'm rambling because that is what I do. And pretty soon, I will be back to doing more fashion and beauty videos. Just stick around, and it will happen. This week is my appointment. 2 more days. This is Tuesday. I have 2 more days till my appointment. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would love to have you subscribe. Share the video with anybody who you think might like it. Comment. You know, just comment. Say hi. Just say hi. I mean, I'll say hi back. And remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.